the other. And what we know from cancer is that it's due to repeated damage to the genetic material, the DNA of the person's cells, whether it's the cells in the brain, cells in the heart, cells in the kidney, cells in the blood. The key thing is repeated damage to the genetic material in the cells. Because if you think about it, the genetic material, this is a cell, right? We're looking at the cell now. So the genetic material, this is the nucleus of the cell. The genetic material in the cell is what allows you to reproduce and have more cells. So like they are the gonads, the sex organs of the cell, if we can use that term. So let's start with normal first. So a normal cell, every day, in every part of the body, normal cells are growing old. They are dividing into smaller baby cells. These baby cells are growing older, and they're dividing into small cells, on and on and on and on. People say we have about 37 trillion cells in the body. I don't know whoever has the time to count all those cells, but that's what they say we have. Some people say 50 trillion, 100 trillion. I mean, what does that matter? It's a lot of cells. So this is what happens all the time, where our cells are constantly dividing and replenishing the old ones, constantly. Now, like we said, the problem is that in some people, more than others, everybody has damage to the cells. Everybody has damage to the cells. But in some people more than others, that damage is so severe that it causes a change in the genetic material from a normal genetic material or DNA or nucleus to an abnormal one.